OnePlus is rumored to be working on a new compact flagship smartphone that will compete with the likes of the Apple iPhone 16, Samsung Galaxy S25, and even some Chinese-branded competitors. A fresh leak has revealed some exciting details regarding the upcoming OnePlus 13 Mini and OnePlus 13T. OnePlus 13T could be launched soon with a compact design. And this is the first look. The device is expected to pack an impressively large battery capacity of 6,000 mAh. The second reason that the OnePlus 13 Mini is highly anticipated is its pricing. The tipster claims that the upcoming compact flagship will be one of the cheapest Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered smartphones in the market. Expected price of around 3,000 yuan. The OnePlus 13 launched with an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, but the new compact phone is expected to house an optical fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus 13T is likely to feature a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED 120Hz screen with a 1.5K resolution and minimal bezels on all four sides. The rear camera setup may consist of a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.